You know, younger generations, especially Gen Z, don't really shop or make decisions the same way older groups do. It's not just about being younger or trendier. There's a whole shift in what they care about and how they engage with brands. They're a lot more tuned into things like sustainability and ethical business practices. Plus, they expect everything to be fast, personalized, and importantly, tech-driven. Since Gen Z grew up online, they're absolute pros when it comes to using tech. They're constantly soaking up online content and using multiple platforms at once to research what they want to buy. So, if businesses want to grab their attention, they need to show up where these younger buyers already are, with the right messaging, better practices, and technology that keeps up. The brands that get this right are the ones who will actually manage to stay relevant. One of the biggest challenges is loyalty. Younger consumers move fast. They take in content at lightning speed, and their taste changes just as quickly. It's not that they're not loyal, they definitely can be. But if they spot something better, or if a brand lets them down, they'll switch without thinking twice. Boomers, for example, tend to stick with brands they trust. But the younger guys, they're more experimental. They'll follow the latest trends, and they're quick to walk away if they don't like what they see. Millennials and Gen Z do their homework before they buy, but for different reasons. Millennials are super careful with their money because of everything they've lived through, i.e. economic crises. Whereas Gen Z are more about finding brands they feel a part of, especially through a strong social media community. If you're trying to win them over, the old pushy marketing tricks won't cut it. Brands need to build real, meaningful connections based on shared values and genuine engagement. Younger buyers aren't just buying stuff, they're buying into something. They want brands to stand for something they believe in. Get this, about 83% of millennials expect brands to align with their personal values. Compare that to just 21% of older generations. That's a massive difference. So if you're trying to appeal to them, you can't just talk about values in passing. It's got to be front and center and bold. Millennials and Gen Z want CEOs and brands to speak out about big issues like climate change and mental health. In the past, companies would have avoided touching these topics, but now it's almost expected if you want to build real loyalty with the next generation. The key takeaway? Stand for something real. Younger consumers will notice and they'll care. Every day, younger consumers are bombarded with a ridiculous amount of content, mostly through social media and streaming platforms. And because it's so tailored and fast-changing, brands need to work even harder to stand out. It's not enough to just have an online presence. Brands have to offer genuinely high-quality, engaging content at every step of the buying journey, from when someone first hears about them, right through to when they walk into a store. And if you're not interesting or original, you're going to get left behind. A smart approach covers everything: strong social media game, building a real community around your brand, and making the in-store experience feel like a natural extension of what consumers see online. That's where digital signage comes in. In-store displays like video walls, kiosks, and even simple screens help brands maintain the digital connection once someone's inside the shop. For Gen Z and millennials who often discover brands online first, this consistent experience is crucial. Showing things like customer videos, testimonials, or highlighting your brand's commitment in-store makes people feel more connected whilst they're shopping. And it's a perfect way to keep reinforcing your values and encouraging purchases. Plus, with digital content, you can easily personalize messages, say through loyalty programs or digital check-ins, which younger consumers absolutely love. They want shopping to feel personal and relevant to them, and brands that deliver that are going to win big. Ready to connect with the next generation of shoppers? With Yodeck's intelligent, powerful digital signage, you'll turn every in-store moment into an opportunity to inspire, engage, and build real loyalty. Start creating unforgettable experiences today. Sign up for free at yodeck.com and see what Yodeck can do for your brand.